In a world where power meets portability, with the launch of the 6-watt and 12-watt portable laser engravers, Longer Nano emerges as a beacon of innovation. Nano empowers your creative journey with dynamic support from Lightburn, Laser GRBL, and self-developed mobile app. With the Galvo system, creators can achieve intricate designs projects with remarkable efficiency. With advanced features like 121 points and dual light focus, Nano stands as the fastest portable engraving machine, boasting a preview speed of 32,000 millimeters per second and an engraving speed of 5,000 millimeters per second. With 0.01 millimeter precision enabled by the field lens, Nano ensures ultra-fine engraving on various materials like metal, wood, ceramics. Accompanied by a rotary roller, Nano allows carving on various curved surfaces, such as bottles and glasses. Additionally, the extension kits can extend the working range to 100 by 300 millimeters. The Nano can elevate your projects to new heights. Nano is lightweight and handheld, ensuring engraving projects can be taken wherever inspiration strikes. This portable convenience means that whether you're in the comfort of your workshop or exploring the great outdoors, Nano is always at your side. Nano Pro effortlessly cuts through 10mm wooden boards, showcasing the perfect blend of power and portability. Longer Nano, your portable engraving solutions.